AI is getting better day by day. We have learned about text to image, AI text builder, copywriting, text to video, and now text to website is possible. So if you are looking to build a website, just don't know how to code, then this particular tool will help you out in this. You don't need to add anything. You don't need to add a copywriting. You don't need to add a blog post manually. You don't need to do anything, or you don't need to add your map to your local business. You don't need to add testimonials or the images. And this particular tool will research it for you and give you to the exact outcome you wanted, maybe a better version of it. So how? Just follow this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do smash that subscribe button to learn more and more about AI stuff. So what I want you to do is go to the first link in the description box, and the page you will land here. Just sign up for the free account. Just test this particular tool. You don't need to buy anything just yet. If you're just buying it, if you're just signing up for the learning curve, then there you go. So you have a dashboard like this. You just need to click on create new business. So here is business name. Okay. Now you can create any business name you want, but I want it to be a bakery. Okay. So this will be the bakery, or I will add mom's bakery. You can add anything, but I suggest you to build a local business with this particular builder. So if you want to generate a generic website, then you can also do that, but it doesn't have that much of possibilities to add custom plugins to it, like SEO plugins or something like that. But if you're just using it for your blog post or using to share your knowledges, then you can just use this particular platform. So here business name is bakery, and this is the industry. I will select the bakery here. Okay. And the location, you can choose any location you want, but I suggest you to wherever your location is, type the exact locations here, such that whenever it creates the map for your particular business, it will be there as specific as you want. So for this, I am going to search for any mom's bakery out there. Okay. So here is a mom bakery. Let me just copy this particular address. I just paste this particular location there. And there is a website language. Let's see. So this is a website language. If you have a generic website just for the local people, then I suggest you to enter that area's language. Okay. But if you want it for the general people, then you can just add English here. So let's start creating business. So it will start creating the business for you. Just wait for a minute or so. You will be amazed by the result it gives. So it's just analyzing it, each and everything. Like here, you can see. There you go. Website has been saved. As you can see here, if you go from top to the bottom, this is it. So here in the first section is your header. Okay. And there is a hero section like satisfy your craving now. And there is a short paragraph. So you don't need to add any copywriting to it. It will be generated by the AI itself. But if you don't want this particular section, then you can start regenerating it. Regenerate helps you to have more options here. As you can see, it has already created this. Indulge in freshly baked delights. And if you want to edit this and add some image to the background, then you can easily add, go to the settings, and here is the image section. So in the image section, it will start creating image by itself. So this is the stock image they collected from the stock resources. So that's how you can easily do that. Click on the save, obviously, and there you go. So now next section is just an image that gives an overview about your shop. So best practice is to edit this and add your own image. Just click on replace here and it will give you an option to upload your own. Okay. So in the next section, we have a about us section. So it is already written about us, but if you want something added by yourself, you can easily add that here. And there is a our services section. So you can easily customize this particular section. Just click on edit and add whatever the list items you want. Here, there is a 3 list items already, but if you offer much more, then you can start adding the list items here. Obviously, it's not an e-commerce platform, then, but if you just need a landing page, then this is perfect for you. And the next is the testimonials. So these are the testimonials created by the AI itself. And telling about the responsiveness, if you click on the phone portrait, it will be look like this. And next is gallery. So here it has curated images based on the business name or the business category you have chosen. So it has already added that. If you want to edit this, you can easily go away and start editing it. Just click on the edit button as I've told you earlier. Pick the images you want, pick the aspect ratios, rounded corners, spacing, background. You have all these options to configure. And going to the next is the location. This is the location heading, or you can add any heading to it. Or I will say visit us. I will write this, and you can paste your address here, just like this. And it will have a background map or inline map. You can select just like this, but our background map looks pretty good. There's a light theme. You can add the dark theme to it or something like that. I'll prefer the dark version because it just pleased my eyes. And there's the rounded corners, and there's an align map. If you want to line map to the left or the right, and you can choose. There's a marker, which you can also customize that based upon your branding. And there's a background color also. So this is what you can do with the help of this particular section. And there is a contact us now. So contact us now is all about the lead generation. So you must be worried about where this lead goes. It will goes to your particular dashboard. So I will cover that in a bit. And there is a footer section. So you can also edit the footer section the way you want. Just going here, you can add all your social media channels. If you want to add new channel, just select it. If it is about the YouTube, it is about Behance Triple Custom, you can just start adding this. Okay. So that's about the builder here. I think it's the best out there. You don't need to do anything. Just start pulling up a website like this. You don't need to copyright anything. You don't need to create images according to the styling and stuff like that. Now you must be wondering about how to customize the colors, right? You can easily do that with the help of the settings. So here it is the background color. If you want to change colors of anything, just select the element and it will give you an option to customize that as well. So now coming to the main part, creating more pages, right? So you can easily create more pages. Just click here. Here you have a different type of sections you can build easily. Now coming to this next section is adding other pages like FAQs, like blog posts, privacy policies, which is essential for Google PageRater. And there is a terms of service. This is the standard pages you can see here. But now moving forward to the blog post. So here, if you click on the blog post section, it will start creating a blog page. And how? See, here it is. It will give you suggestions which blog post you can actually post to. You don't need to add anything. Okay. You don't need to create blog post ideas. You don't need to create an outline for this, or you don't need to hire any expensive writers out there. This particular tool can create blog post by itself. So how? Here is a create from scratch. If you have a blog post which you want to post already, then you can create from scratch. And there is a list of blog posts that you can start posting it on your website. So here, if I click on the 10 delicious and easy to make bread recipes for mom baker, so it will start creating. As you can see, it has started creating the outline like in the introduction, and the list goes on. So it will create a blog post up to 1,000 to 2,000 words for each. As you can see here, it will go on and on. You don't need to add any images to it. And like here is a cinemas for bed. And if you just scroll down to it, here's the conclusion paragraph. And now you must be wondering how to edit any blog post. Like here, as you can see, this is not the sun-dried tomato and basil. Okay. So now to change this, just click on here, and either you can click on regenerate, or you can click on the replace and start searching for your images or upload the images. So now if you want to add any text to it, just click close, discard. Just click any text, just the way you write, add anything to it. If you want to add a link to it, here you can easily add the link, current window or open window or something like that. And if you want to add more H2s headings, you can do it easy. So what are the elements it included? So if you want to add a more paragraph to it, you can easily do this. And there is an option, either you can add a heading or you can add a table, video, or images. So that's how easy it is to create a blog post. You don't need to write anything. Now you must be wondering where this particular page goes, right? And if I click on the save page, and then you need to click on the publish. So this blog post will get published. And if I go to here, the blog page, as you can see, this is what it's all about. So if I click on the settings here, you can also select the background color. And as you can see, the blog page has been added to the menu bar automatically. That's how it will look like. So if you go to the settings here, you can easily change the font, browser icons, or something like that. Here, this is the search operator here, and this is the standard blog post, as you can see. So that's how you can easily create your blog post. You can easily create your website. And now going forward to the pages section. Here's the pages section. Just go here. You will browse the pages. If you want to drag it to the above, so it will display blog just before the new page. And if you want to create a folder, you can easily create a folder here. There's a label if you want to add any label to it. And there's a slug. So what it does is it will add a custom slug to your page such that you will be able to add anything under that particular folder. So this is the part of advanced tutorial which I will cover if you request that. And now if I preview the website, to preview it in real time, just click on this here. Go to the website, and this is your website will look like. It's so good. It's so pretty, and it's so minimalistic, right? If I click on the blog, and this is a blog we have already written, and there you go. So you have created your own website just using this particular AI tool. Just you need to select few buttons, click few buttons, and boom, there is a website available for you. And now if I click on the exit editor, there is your websites where you will browse. And let me give you the overview of this. And there is analytics. So there is analytics will give you which user are browsing which page or something like that. And this is the SEO part. Okay. So if you click on generate SEO, so it will start creating the snippets for you. As you can see, this will be your meta title, meta description, and the image for Open Graph Preview. What is Open Graph Preview? It will look like this particular snippet on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, or X, what it's called now. So that's how you can easily do it. Don't forget to click on save here. Okay. And now going to the settings of this particular website. As you can see, the website is currently active. If you click on the change, you need to upgrade your account. Okay. And then you can access your website from here. If you change a subscription from them, you will get your domain for free. If you have an existing domain, you can link the domain here. There's a search indexing, which is disabled, but when you make it live, it will start adding it. And now going to the head footer code. If you want to add a third-party analytics like Google Analytics here, you need access to the header and the footer, right? So this is where you will add. Go to the settings, custom code, header and footer code, and there you will add your codes. And if you want to clear the website cache, then you can click on the wipe cache, because Durable support cache system to deploy your website faster to the user end. So this is about the website settings. And now coming to the marketing. So there is a promotions which you can easily create for your email marketing. If I click on the create promotion, and there's a different set of ads you can build using this Durable. So in the promotion section, you can build Google ad, Facebook ad, email campaign that it will promote more and more about your website. So you don't have to create or brainstorm your ideas by yourself. You can use this particular tool. Isn't it amazing? Because it handles 90% of your marketing activities. And now there is a brand. You need to add a logo. Just add the logo. Just add the color kit. Like currently it chooses the brand color of this and accent color of this. What is accent color? Accent color is all about the buttons. Brand color is all about the backgrounds. So you need to select or edit both of them, and it will reflect on your website. And there is a review section. So it is currently not included in your plan. You have to upgrade it. So when you upgrade it, you will be able to get reviews from your customer directly on your website, and it will place a schema of reviews. So it's the best decision for your business. So this is a CRM. Now, what we were talking about, that contact form, right? So if you go down to this, let me go to the page here. If you go down to this, there is a form here. So you must be wondering where the entries of this particular form go. It will go to your contacts dashboard. So this is what it will look like. So you will get the leads here. You can manage it through this particular page. And there's the settings. You can connect any email to it. Like currently I'm connecting mine. And there's the invoicing. So get paid faster with the professional invoicing. So you can invoice any person out there. Just if you get the successful lead, you can create an invoice and send to them. So the invoice items you can create, like for the bakery, I want to sell a cake. So there is a cake invoicing we can easily do with the help of invoicing it. And there's a setting default text you want to create. And there's an assistant. AI assistant will help you all along your website. So your AI assistant can generate ideas, answer questions, complete tasks in the app, and much more. So you can just see here, edit my website, just go to it, write a marketing strategy for me. If you just click on it, and much more. So this is the all-in-one package for you and handle 95% of your operations, including marketing, generating ideas, and much more. So if you have liked this video, if you have liked this complete package, go find the link in the description box, sign up for the free account, test it out for your business. And if it works, then do subscribe to their plans and you will be amazed by the result it gives you. So if you have liked something from this particular video, do click that like button. If you want to watch more AI tutorials like this, do hit that subscribe button. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.